Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set company specific price list and net terms in Shopify B2B. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to simply do it, all you gotta do is simply go to Shopify B2B. So once you're here in Shopify B2B commerce platform, you can simply set up a company's specific price list and net term by creating custom catalogs for price adjustments and setting price terms directly on the company profile. So to create a price list, you need to go to products and simply tap on the catalogs. Once you have done this, you need to define prices or simply discounts by assigning products to new catalog. Now, once you have done this, you need to assign it to the company, and for payment terms, you need to go to customers, tap on companies and select a company, and in the payment terms section, assign a payment method like net 30 or another option. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.